Welcome to another exciting week of Pree Dis, your weekly entertainment fix. This week it's all about music videos, food, celebrity interviews, and beauty pageants. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna. Pree Dis starts right now. New York was the location for the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival, and we were there to catch all the vibes, all the music, and all the food. Let's check it out.
Travel to and coverage of the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival is brought to you by Fly Jamaica, one team, one dream. It was another successful staging of the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival held at the Roy Wilkins Park in New York. From as early as midday, patrons began streaming into the venue to fill their stomach on various Jamaican jerk dishes, drink, entertainment, culture, and of course, good vibes. Leading the entertainment package on the main stage were Carlene Davis, Baby Sham, and of course, Romaine Virgo, all backed by the Fab Five band. Patrons gave the festival high marks.
What brought you out here to the Jerk Festival today?
Well, I always enjoy a good jerk. And so far, I have gotten around and I've seen a lot of very good jerk around, and I've been having a good time. And the music is also wonderful.
Everybody seems to be having a good time. I like the camaraderie, what's going on. The music is good. And it's just a nice outing. And to top it off, the weather is hot and gorgeous.
CEEN is everywhere that Caribbean activity is. As you know, CEEN is the Caribbean entertainment everyday network. So we are here whenever there are things happening in the diaspora or in the region. CEEN will be there bringing it to our audiences.
What's your subscription like in the diaspora?
The subscription is actually very good and it's growing. You know, the Caribbean diaspora is very interested in seeing content from home or produced by people from home. People like to see themselves and to see themselves represented on television, and so we have great support from the Caribbean diaspora here in the New York, New Jersey tri-state area. We're also in Connecticut and in Canada. So we're grateful to all our audiences, all our viewers. We like to tell them, please continue subscribing, continue watching. CEEN is going to continue growing, bringing you all the things that you want to see from the Caribbean or by the Caribbean.
How has business been going today?
Business is not too bad, but we're trying and we're trying to make it better and everything.
First time as a vendor here?
No, this is my third time.
What brought you to the Jerk Festival today?
My friends dragged me out here.
And how is it going so far for you?
Good, I'm just enjoying the weather.
First time here?
For the Jerk Festival, yeah.
Your first time to the Jerk Festival?
No, it's my third time.
And how is it going so far for you?
It's okay. It's hot.
You're having corn?
Yeah. More like boiled corn.
What is your plan to have today though?
I'm looking for jerk chicken and jerk pork. Well, I've heard so many great things about this. It's my first time here, and I just had to come and get some of this spicy food.
And what are you having?
I'm having jerk chicken and bread from Boston Jerk.
And how is it?
Oh, it's delicious.
Well, the Jerk Festival is great. Everything is great. Food is good. Music is tight. Everything is good.
Your first time here?
No, it's my first time, but I haven't been here in a long time. So, yeah, but not my first time.
Where in Jamaica are you from?
St. Andrew.
Miss Universe Jamaica 2014 Casey Fennell competed in 2 celebrity cook-offs, one of which she emerged the winner.
So I participated in not only 1, but 2 back-to-back cook-offs, and I won the first one, which was a pasta challenge, and then I went against the mayor after, and the mayor won the sandwich one. That's okay, you know, it's cool. I can't win everything, so I give it up to that one, you know. Good job, mayor. I love a good steak. You can do anything with a steak. It's so easy to cook, and when I'm home, you know, I don't really want to do anything that takes too much of the time. I just put it in a pot, easy.
Your thoughts about the Jamaica Jerk Festival today?
It's fantastic. I love the fact that this is, you know, overseas, and we're introducing to the public Jamaican culture, or music, or food, you know, making persons more aware, you know. It's more than what you see on TV. So I'm happy that everybody is here interacting with each other, you know, not only the Jamaicans, the Caribbean people, and the foreigners.
Entertainers spoke about the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival.
It's a good look. A lot of Caribbean people out there, a lot of Caribbean flags. Anything to do with our music and to support our music, I'm always down.
So Jerk Festival, have you had any jerk since you've been here?
No jerk chicken just yet, or fish. Not before you perform, but after for sure. It is Grace Jerk Festival, right? Gotta get some jerk.
It was a good vibe. The people enjoy themselves. Could see them singing and waving, and you know what I mean, I like the crowd. It's a family kind of vibe. Everybody came out, and to see the kind of reception, you know, for the first time performing on this show, you know, this is one of the biggest crowd I've ever performed for in New York. It was amazing, man. I give thanks for the love from the people, and you know, if we should ever come back on this show next year or the year after, you know, we want to keep it. We want to make it even better, you know. So we give thanks for the love from the people.
Fly Jamaica, one of the sponsors of the event, had a large number of patrons at their booth.
As you know, this is our third year running here at the Grace Jerk Festival. It's an absolutely good opportunity to get in touch with the diaspora here. There's a vast amount of Guyanese, vast amount of Jamaicans, and it's a good opportunity to hear what the needs are so we can continue to meet them as an airline.
For those watching and asking, what is Fly Jamaica? Break it down for us.
Fly Jamaica is an airline initiative started up by Captain Paul Ronald Rees and along with Jamaican directors. And so this is Jamaican and Guyanese. It is two nations, one airline. It's a fantastic union.
Tell us, where does Fly Jamaica fly at present?
Presently we fly from New York to Kingston, Kingston to Guyana, Guyana to Toronto, Toronto, New York, Toronto to Guyana, New York to Guyana. And that's our new flight. New York directly to Guyana non-stop.
And we've just started also our cargo. And you can check it out at cargo@fly-jamaica.com. We're moving cargo now.
Tell us some more about the cargo service.
The cargo services, you can check it out at the website at cargo@fly-jamaica.com. We have specials now on, and I hear the specials are good. So check it out for the people who ship barrels and TVs and things like that. That is a little bit larger. For your trip, you can ship it ahead, and it gets to Jamaica a little before you or even almost the same time. So it's a good plus to your trip.
How did you learn about Fly Jamaica?
When Air Jamaica was folding, I was keeping up with the news. And so the first opportunity I got to use Fly Jamaica, I used Fly Jamaica.
What do you like about the airline?
At the time I used it, the food, the fact that they were giving food, real food that I could eat.
Plan to fly Jamaica anytime soon?
Absolutely.
I've never won anything in my life. I was so happy.
When your name was announced, what was going through your mind?
I was like, no, that's not me. It must be somebody else.
Promoter of the event, Eddie Edwards, was pleased with the day's proceedings.
It's been a hectic one. This is one that we had a whole lot of challenges, but fortunately we were able to jump each hurdle that was in our way, and I think we're sailing smooth right now. So, but I'm looking at the crowd and it's fantastic. I'm happy to see New York has embraced this event. This is our 5th year in New York, and I think it is now a solid summer event in New York. The fans are there, the patrons are there, they're enjoying all the aspects. I just passed by the Jerk Cook-Off tent, and I mean, it was packed, you know. Fab 5 is on stage, that's packed. You know, we had a great reception at the cultural stage, the kids zone is happening, and all the vendors are doing well. So this is totally embraced from all sectors. I even went to another section of the park that we left that for nothing. It's packed with people just sitting there. They care nothing about the show. They're just hanging out.
You had the mayor here. How did they pull that off?
Well, you know what? When he was running for the office of the mayor as a candidate, he participated here in our cook-off and won. And last year he tried to come back, but he had prior engagements, and this year he said, I'm coming. So, you know, he held his word and he showed up, did the cook-off again, defended his title, and sure enough, won again. So he proved himself, really.
Long lines, but everyone had their fill of jerk. That's the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival held at the Roy Wilkins Park in New York City.
I'm your love dancer, call me anytime you need me. I know you like it like this, baby. And when I kiss you on it, I'm your love dancer, call me anytime.
Dancehall artist Latty J tells us about her latest single, Bumpa. Let's hear what she has to say.
Well, the current single I'm promoting is called Bumpa. It's full of energy, it's full of vibe. From your ear, cock up your bumper, you know what that mean. Be a niceness. Well, it's me alone, but it's produced by Reeewind. Yeah, Reeewind production / MV Music. My biggest highlight is Who Rule, of course, the collab with Mr. Vegas. It is now almost 800,000 views. I mean, I have so much views on YouTube. That's my biggest, yeah. So I have to say, yeah, blast out to Mr. Vegas.
Now we're on to our first commercial break, but when we get back, it's all about celebrity interviews and so much more. We'll be right back.